Hi all, today we'll discuss about Java interview questions. So these all are the programming interview questions which is asked by the interviewer. Write a program to reverse a string without using a stream API. So how we will write a program to reverse a string without a stream API. String API. So this is the way without a string API, what type of way you will write a reverse string program. The second question is change order of vowel in the string. So how you will write the program to change the order of vowel. So the question is examples has given you are a cool boy. So you need to change this order of vowel like this way. And the third programming questions, find the missing alphabet in this string. So suppose a string has been given and what is the missing alphabet in that, so that we need to calculate the missing. And after that they ask some technical interview questions. So the technical interview questions have different part of Java, Spring and others. So the first question is related for collection. So what is the difference between hash map and concurrent hash map? When to use that type of questions they ask. The next question they ask in the multi-threading. So what all are the enhancement in multi-threading in 1.7 version of Java? And after that they ask lambda expressions in Java 8. So what is a lambda expression in Java 8? And the next question they ask related for thread only. So what is a deadlock? When to create a deadlock situations? Have you find any deadlock in your project? Where and how you solve that? Another question is related for also thread, like what is the work of fork and join class in Java? So we have a multiple classes are there in this thread, fork and join one of them. So when to use and what is that? The next question related for SQL. So what is with clause in SQL? When to use with clause in SQL? What is that? And the next question is related for IOC container. What is a Spring IOC container? When to use a Spring IOC container? IOC container is an inversion of control, so that they will ask. And the next question is related for also Spring. So what is the bean scope? What type of bean scope is there? When to use particular bean scope and all. So that type of questions they ask. And then ask the next question they ask, what are the interface in a Spring implementation? So a Spring have multiple implementations are there. So what all are the interface in a Spring implementations? And then the next question they ask in API Restful web services. What is the difference between @path and @URL? When to use path, when to use URL. And the next question they ask with the design pattern category. So what all are the category in design patterns? So we to prepare for that also. And the next question is what is factory and singleton design pattern? In which category they fall under? So what is a factory design pattern, singleton design patterns and all. So we have a multiple design patterns. So we have categorized in 4 parts in the design pattern. So they ask the category and after that they ask the factory and singleton design pattern. The next question is how to create a factory object in Hibernate. So this is related for Hibernate interview questions. So how to create a factory object in Hibernate. So these all are the interview questions which is asked in one of the interview company. So one of the MNC company has been asked. So if you want, you can take as a reference and prepare for the interview. Thank you.